looking about a half-inch taller or something since you last. So how's it going then? What was the big thing you originally came in with? What did you originally come in here with?
Just my back.
Okay, back, and it did good for a while there. It was doing pretty good.
Yeah.
You were playing like football and stuff, and you were doing pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, is anything bothering you today?
Lower back.
Lower back, same spot? Just point to it.
Just like right here.
Okay. All right, well, let's lay down here. Let's see what we got. All right. Some good spots here. That was it there. Good. Okay. Yeah, let's check it a little back. The other side up here. I'm not sure if you remember that curvature right around there in the upper back. All right, we're gonna do a little back here. Let's see, you're all legs, I think, huh? Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go here and here. Okay, let's go this other way. All right, keep that bottom leg straight. You liking hockey then?
Yeah.
Hockey, okay. Okay. All right, lay on your back. Let's lay face up. Let's see. All right, let's go with that then. Nice and smooth. That should do it. Is that feeling pretty good?
Yeah.
I know it adjusts pretty well, so should keep doing good. Nice going in there.